Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit cinematic photo using Lightroom Mobile app. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure that you have already installed this Lightroom application on your mobile phone. And then I'm going to open up this Lightroom. Okay, then you need to choose a photo that you want to edit. And for example, I'm going to choose one of the photos from my gallery, this one. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how we can turn this photo into a cinematic photo. Okay, basically if you want to make your photo looks more cinematic, you can adjust the photo, you can adjust the light and also the color to make it more cinematic. Okay, let's start with the light. I'm going to adjust the exposure. For the exposure, I'm going to reduce it a little bit. Okay, and for the contrast, I'm going to increase the contrast, but again, just a little bit. Okay, and I'm going to go to the curve and I'm going to adjust the red color. Okay, I'm going to make it more red and I'm going to adjust the blue color as well. I'm going to make it purple. Okay, and for the white color, I'm just going to reduce it. Okay, and let's add red. Well, actually, it depends on the photo that you want to create, guys. You can adjust it according to your needs. Okay, and let's adjust the blue color. Okay, I think it looks better. And click on done. And then I'm going to go to the color here. And I'm going to increase the temperature a little bit. This one as well. And the saturation. Okay. And for the detail, I'm going to make it sharper. All right. And I think it looks good. And I'm just going to show it to you. Okay, this is the result, guys. And it's better than before and it looks more cinematic. I'm going to show you the original photo. This is the photo after the adjustment. Wait. And this is the original photo, guys. And this is after the adjustment. Oh, that's so cool. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.